the Google Pixel 3. This is a special day for me as I receive a gift from the Google itself. This is an amazing phone that just arrived at my doorstep actually a couple days ago. I am doing a move, so my setup is a little bit different, so excuse the mess and excuse the sound outside as I'm trying to fix everything. But I wanted to make this video because I'm really excited about this amazing product that just arrived at my doorstep. So without further ado, let's unbox it, let's look at the tech, what they have inside, and see what Pixel has to offer for us and what they have actually sent us today. Just arrived at my doorstep and I'm really excited to open it. Actually, it arrived at my old address and I had to have someone FedEx it to me overnight, and I just got it. This is a gift from Google and I'm really excited. Look at this packaging. This is outstanding. So let's open it up and let's see what we have inside. Oh my God, this is really special to me. So we have this open, and first thing first, we have the Pixel 3. This is awesome, one of the best phones out there. And if you're looking for a special phone that is affordable and does everything that you want it to do, this is it, the Google Pixel 3. And oh my God, look at the packaging of this by one and only Google. #Team Pixel. The quality of the box itself is amazing. Another thing that we have inside of a box, we have a grip. This is really nice if you're trying to hold your phone, and it just helps you, kind of gives you a little grip. So we're gonna go over that for a second in a bit. We have a couple of items that just says 1 month of free Google Fi service, which is a replacement for your ordinary cellular service that works globally. This is awesome. You could use your data globally, and this is really special, especially for me that I travel a lot. I don't have to pay the hefty fees of just using roaming service for my data. So this is awesome. An amazing, stunning Google Pixel 3 case, and I love their case of this fabric mesh feel that they have. So we're gonna open that, and we have a tote bag by Google, #Team Pixel. This is just really cool. I am so honored that Google has sent this to me, and I can't wait to open it. So without further ado, let's unbox this and let's see what we have. There are 2 notches right here, 2 actually tapes that we're gonna rip it off, and we're gonna release the phone itself. This is awesome. Next, we have just a cover that just holds your phone together. We have a little bit of user manual, #Team Pixel, really cool. Just safety warning information, it's good to have. We have a SIM card ejector tool. This is nice. Not many phones offer this anymore, so you have to salvage it from somewhere if you need to eject the SIM card. So this is cool that they already include this. We have the user manual, and this is just pretty simple, self-explanatory when it comes to this sort of product. In terms of a charger, we have USB Type-C, which is just an improvement over other typical lightning connectors or just a regular USB charger. So this is USB Type-C, is really good, really handy. That means that I have to carry less cables with me when I move around, and I don't have to rely on carrying like 20 cables with me as I'm going on and about my day. So USB Type-C, really cool, really handy. We have a USB Type-C adapter that in case you have USB 3.0, you could use the adapter and then kind of charge it that way. Here we have the power brick, and this is really nice. what is the output on this? The output on this is 50-60 megahertz, 5 volt. This is really good. This means that it can charge your phone really quick. And that's it. That's all we have in here. Next, we have the grip. Of course, if you want to use the grip, let me open this and take it out. And basically the way that this works, you just stick it in the back of your phone and you'll be able to hold your phone like this. Really easy. That way you don't, when you text, you could use one hand, and it just makes things so much simpler. Next, what I'm also excited is their actual case. This case just looks and feels so good. I mean, listen to this. Sounds amazing. And it has that orange button on the side that just makes it really cool. And inside you have this soft texture material that you could, it's really soft. It's not gonna damage your phone. So let's take the phone, rip the phone out of its packaging and just see what we have inside. And oh my God, it just turned on itself. Wow, look at this. This is awesome. Really nice shape. I love the ergonomic feel of it. I love the texture. It is glossy, but right here it's a little bit matte, so it's not a fingerprint magnet. And it's just really cool. I love this kind of green button. As you can see, I matched it with the background. It's just awesome. Feels great. Let's pop that inside of its case, and there you go. This is really nice. I mean, this is a phone that I will be rocking from now on. And it comes in a larger size that has a 6.3 display if you want the XL version. So I'm gonna press skip because I don't have a SIM card. It is looking for my Wi-Fi, and I just moved to this place, so I don't know the password. I have to use my AT&T password. So I'm just gonna log in for a second. We are connected and it's checking for updates. I love it. It just feels so nice in hand, and it's small. It fits in the palm of my hand. I personally like the smaller size because it's just so friendly, and with its screen real estate being so massive, it's just super cool, and it doesn't have a notch. So I'm a big fan of not having a notch. Getting account info, and this is just for receiving texts, receiving calls. Unlock your Pixel with a fingerprint. You just say yes. We'll set up a pin for it, and it says to put your finger on the back of your phone so Google can scan it. I'm just putting it on and off like this as it's doing the setup. And now it's completed. We press next. Google setup. Keep doing. This is the message that we get next. And we press continue. Access your assistant with a voice match. So we're gonna set this one up. Now again, if you have Google Home, this is just makes it so much easier. Oh, so cool. So this is awesome. So basically you could squeeze the side for assistant. Oh my God, I'm just squeezing these fingers together. Always on display, we have that. That's a really nice option. I like that always on display. And that's it. All set. And that's it. Ooh, this is nice. This is gorgeous. I love the display on this thing. The display is beautiful. And this is how the always on display looks. So you'll always be able to tell your time, the weather, date, and if you have any messages or if you have any missed calls. So this is always nice, and simply by putting your finger on the back of the phone, you can unlock it. And this thing is powerful, and it has a really nice battery that can get you a lot. Now, one thing that is really interesting about this phone is its camera, with it being a 12 megapixel camera. This is gonna be really nice, really powerful, and it's gonna be able to take some really nice nice shots for you. So it's gonna be easy. Right now, all my emails are coming in. it's just over and all a great phone at $399. This is a really affordable phone that can change the way that you interact with your daily things throughout the day. Being strong, being fast, being powerful with a good battery. It can last all day easily, and if you don't use it heavily, you could also go with it for a day and a half, almost 2 days, without having to recharge it. The fact that it takes USB Type-C is an awesome addition, and I love it. I want to thank Google for sending me this. This is an amazing device to have, and I'm really honored to be chosen by Team Pixel to represent their company, represent their product, and represent all of their hard works. And this is what I'm aiming towards, to work with you guys, bring you guys the best of the best, and showcase what actually is worth it around the world. And I can tell this amazing gadget gets 10 out of 10.